Hello listeners, here we're going to discuss about food and food types. This is extension of our previous chapter in which we discussed about nutrition. To some extent we all like to eat various kind of delicious food, but today we'll discuss about biology of food. The definition of food is by taking those edible substances due to which growth, nutrition, yield of energy and building of new tissue of our living body takes place are considered as food. That means food is a substance which actually very essential for our body development, growth and performing various kind of physiological functions. This is a classification of food. Broadly, we can classify the food into two types. The proximate principle foods are primary food, and the protective principles of food are the secondary food. The proximate principles of food or the primary food can be further classified into calorigenic food and the bodybuilding food. The calorigenic food means the food substance which actually gives energy to our body, like carbohydrate, fat, or lipid. And bodybuilding foods are basically involved in our body development, and about which we will know later on in this chapter. An example is protein. Various kind of proteins are involved in our body development, so these are considered as body developing or bodybuilding food. Now the next type of food is body protective foods or the protective principles food. This is also known as secondary food. Although this food is not directly involved in body development, but it plays a very important role in our body protections from various diseases, and it also helps in development of our immunity. And these are like water, minerals, vitamins, etc. Now the definitions are proximate principle of food. The food substances which helps in energy production, body growth, repairing of wear and tear, damaged tissue, etc. are called the proximate principle of food. As we discussed, the proximate principle food can be divided into two types, calorigenic food and the bodybuilding food. The calorigenic food are this kind of proximate principle foods which actually yield energy, provides energy to our body to perform various kind of functions. And these are carbohydrates, fat or lipids. Carbohydrate actually gives approximately 4 kilocalorie energy of burning 1 gram of carbohydrate, and 1 gram of fat or lipid actually provides 9.3 kilocalorie energy. The bodybuilding food is this kind of proximate principle foods that actually helps in body development or growth. Body growth means this kind of foods actually helps in development of cells, cell membrane, and it also helps in wear and tear, repairing of damaged tissues. Well, protein is an example of bodybuilding food. Although protein is a bodybuilding food, we are taking this as an example of bodybuilding food, but I would like to mention that protein also provides energy to our body. It actually provides approximately 4.3 kilocalorie energy by burning of 1 gram of protein. The next type is protective principle of food. This is also known as secondary food. These food substances which prevent the body from various diseases. And as we have discussed, that this kind of foods are actually help in development of our immunity. And immunity directly or indirectly help us to recover from various kind of diseases. So this is very important type of food beside the body development or body developing food. The example of body protective food or the protective principle food is water, minerals and vitamins, various kind of vitamins. And about this we'll learn later on in our next chapter. So that's all for this chapter, and watch our next video for more information. Thank you very much. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelations.net.